Okay boys, just a little quick project I've been working on right here. It is a 1989 Kawasaki Bayou 300. It's the four-wheel drive version. And I got this thing for $140, which is honestly a steal for the condition it's in. When I got it, it supposedly needed carb work, so I already took the carburetor off and did a rebuild on it, and it was indeed just seized up and so like cruddy in there. I'll actually link the video I watched down in the description so that you can watch it if you're looking to do one of these yourself. But there's not much to it. You just take it apart, clean it, replace gaskets, and just make sure everything's working correctly. And that's what I did to that. I didn't record it. I wish I did, but you know. It's got an assisted manual, so you don't have to use a clutch. You just have to let off the gas, and then you shift, and then it shifts. And I'm anxious to see if all that works, because I actually haven't started this thing yet. I actually rebuilt the air filter, and I'll show you the clips to that right now. I gotta reshoot. It's rolling. Well. Okay, so after I rebuilt the air filter, I came out and put it in. Also bought a battery for it, which I have not hooked up yet. And since I didn't have the key, I've already hot-wired it right here. But I do have a new ignition ordered, which I will put on towards the end of this video. It'll be a couple days from now, but you know, you'll see it right now. Gravy. Fat. He's a fat ass. Anyway, here's the new ignition, guys. I just recorded this whole scene, but I didn't hit record, so here we go again. New ignition here. It's got a nice clicking action. Has two keys. Got the wiring harness there. Looks about like the old one here. It's a different shape, but it's got the same little tabs and stuff, so it should go fine. So I'm just gonna trace the old wire here. It's the old ignition wire. I'm gonna trace it down and see if it's got these same plugs on it, because I don't want to have to break out my soldering iron. But yeah, let me just do that right fast. I'll show you what I find. So unfortunately, it's looking like it's going to be a lot easier just to solder in the new one than to get these out, because those are really stuck in there. It is a four-wheeler from 1989, so I mean, you can't expect stuff to just plug and unplug really easily. So that's what I'm going to get done. As soon as my cat will get off the four-wheeler. Gravy. Alright, so the reason I'm just soldering it is because the connectors aren't coming out very easy, and I'm just going to damage it more than help it if I do that. So I'm just going to do a little snippy snip here. And we'll call that good. Got my soldering iron heating up, so let me just solder those right fast. Okay, so it's in, and got the battery hooked up, so I'm just going to give it a test right quick. Then we'll get back onto the petcock valve or something. Works fine. Gravy. Gravy. Meow. Alright, so here's the new valve compared to the old one. The filter's all rotted out. It's not in the best of shape. It's all clogged up, doesn't work at all. So here's the new one. Came with new filters. It's a little different, but you know, it's got a fresh O-ring and crap, so let me throw it on real fast. Alright, the new valve is on. Have it running up to the carburetor in there. And don't have any immediate leaks, so I guess it's time to fire it up, see if I can get it started. Wish me luck. Alright. How quick you think it'll fire up? Flip it on. Turn the choke on. Turn the choke off. Alright, it's running.
Good.
Let it run for just a second. Turn the choke off. Alright. Splattered with gasoline. Alright, so there it is. I got this thing for 140 bucks. I have about probably 250 into it, like total. So the battery was like $90 plus probably $20 to $30 of just parts like that fuel shutoff valve and just little gaskets and crap like that. But it runs and drives now. Definitely not bad. It seems like the transmission works good. Shifts. The only problem is it won't idle unless the choke's on. So I just got to adjust the idle or something. But, you know, this was a good deal, I think. I'm probably going to sell it or give it to my sister-in-law. Who knows? Well, thanks for watching.